Super Secret Primary Trade Line Credit Score Hack. This program will allow anyone to use a super secret primary trade line hack to boost your credit score as much as 100 points in 30 days. This is the credit repair secret they do not want you to know. In this step-by-step breakdown I will teach you how to buy other people's old credit card debt. Get the creditor to forgive the debt, then have the credit bureaus report that credit line as paid off on your credit profile. There is no other credit repair method that will boost your credit score faster and higher. Is it legal? Absolutely. Under the Fair Credit Reporting Act you are allowed to have primary trade lines added to your credit profile. Is it free? No. You will have to spend some time and a little bit of money to boost your credit score 100 points in 30 days. I spent $300 and had a total of $20,000 added to my credit profile. I was able to perform this service for many others, charging about $1,000 each. Is it worth it? Yes. I was personally able to boost my credit score from 525 to over 740 in less than 90 days. How does it work? Simply follow the instructions. Does it include all the letters needed? Yes. We have included every document you will need to print, sign and send to the credit agencies to boost your credit score immediately. Does it include all the sources for single trade lines needed? Yes. Does it include sources for creditor trade lines that will post the trade lines for you? Yes, there are several 100 sources of trade lines that can be posted for you. Do I get a credit card that I can use to buy products in any store? Yes, most of the cards are Visa, MasterCard, or store cards. The best part is that you will be able to use this method to repair or establish not only your credit score but anybody's credit and business credit scores as well. What are you waiting for?